Hi, lovely people. How are you today? I'm excited because I'm doing my Ipsy versus Ipsy. I've been doing this for about 8 months now to see, does Ipsy really go by profiles? And I'm still kind of like on the fence. Sometimes I think they do, sometimes I think they don't. I don't know. So let's see what I got, and you guys let me know down in the comments. Do you think that they go by profile? But let me tell you a little bit before I begin. I already did this. I have the swatches on my hand and something's going on with my computer. I have no idea, and it just like froze on me. So I'm going to start all over. I already have the swatches on, so I won't re-swatch them, but I know what's in here already, but you don't. So let's start all over. So this is the November 2018 Ipsy. And I can tell you that it's very, very good this month. So if you don't know, this is what I do. I go by my profile. I say I'm 42, dark hair, blue eyes. I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I do a totally different profile. I say I'm 25, red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. So let's see if the profiles really did match. So we're going to do my my 25-year-old profile. Remember, red hair, brown eyes, not too comfortable with makeup. So let's begin. So this is what the bag looks like, both on the same side. Right here says Ipsy. I mean, it's not my favorite. It's okay, but I don't think I'll get too many uses out of this. Also, just in case if I forget to tell you, anything that I get duplicates of, things that I already have in my collection, or things I know I won't use, I fill up in an Ipsy bag, and once it gets filled, I do a giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed, and let me try that again. Make sure you're subscribed so that you guys can enter your giveaway. What is wrong with the way I'm talking? I can't talk tonight. All right, so let's see. Let's see what we got. So this is the card for this month. It's about friendship. Happy Friendsgiving, kind of like for Thanksgiving. So that's the theme for this month. All right, so the first thing we got was a Tarte blush, and that is so exciting. This is in the shade Corky. Now, I already have this shade, so I'm not going to swatch it. I'll show you what it looks like, but I definitely will put this in a giveaway, the Ipsy giveaway, because I already have it, and I want you guys to try it, and I really like Tarte blushes. So maybe after this month or next month, I'll be ready to do a giveaway. All right, the next thing we got is by The Balm. This is the Mary Dumanizer Liquid Highlighter, and that is right there. It's gorgeous. I really like this, and I'm really excited to try it. The next thing we got, what is on my shirt? The next thing we got is a lip gloss, which I love lip glosses. This is by Pixie by Pedra. And this is right there. If you guys can still see it, I'm not sure. It's like a peachy color, and I've never tried any of their glosses, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing we got is by Skin Iceland, and this is a Brightening Eye Serum, which I'm excited to get this as well. But, you know, for a 25-year-old, it's like, but you're never too young to start. My daughter's 18, and I already have her starting her skincare regimen. So, you know, I'm not knocking that either. And last but not least, this is by Ciate London, and this is like a little powder. I mean, this is very, very small. Very small. It's just a white powder, so I guess it's a setting powder. I'm not sure, maybe under eye powder. So I'll definitely try it. I don't really go for white powders because they will give you flashback, but I'll try it. So I'm not going to knock it before I try it. So that's everything in my 25-year-old profile, and that's a great bag. All right, moving on to my 42-year-old profile. I am not dark complected. My hair is dark, my eyes are blue. I'm very comfortable with makeup, you know, and same bag, of course. Oh, and let's see. I did get 2 sheet masks that were in here. Let's see. Okay, I'm telling you, I don't know what's wrong with me today. All right, so both sheet masks are from Timeless Beauty Bar. One is Up in the Clouds and one is Glam and Glow. Now, I do have checked off not to have sheet masks because I have so many of them, but I'm not knocking it to get it once in a while. I do enjoy sheet masks. All right, Let's see, what else is in here? Okay, card, same card. Of course, same style bag. And let me hurry up. All right, so this was a lipstick in Sugar, and it's the color right here, this reddish color. I'll have to like dig down and find it. Now this thing is small too. I mean, look at this. My pinky is bigger than this sample, but it's very pretty, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing I got is a Latte London Blush Crush in the shade Zane. And this is really pretty too. This is the color right there. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of these ones that you have to put in a Z palette. I don't really like getting stuff like this, even like single eyeshadows or anything single, because I don't tend to reach for them as much if it's not in a palette. But I'll definitely try it. I think the blush is really, really pretty. Again, that is the swatch. Really pretty. All right, the next thing we got is by what is this? Jelly Pong Pong. This is an eyeshadow in Cosmic Light. And it's like a bluish color. Very, very pretty. It does have like the little sticker on here, and it would take me forever to try. Oh, no, I just got it off. What? Okay, so let's take that off and see. All right, let me put a little bit on here. Okay, this is gorgeous. Oh my God, that's beautiful. I am so glad I was able to swatch this. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, and last but not least, I got the Ciate Wonder Wand Mascara, which I've tried this before, and I really do like this mascara. Not too sure if I'll put this in an Ipsy giveaway or not, depending on how many mascaras I have, but this is a really good one. So, in my 25-year-old profile, I got the mascara, I got the eyeshadow, I got the blush, and I got the little bitty lipstick. So I think this month, I mean, was really, really good. I really liked them. I think it did go by profile. And I also got the sheet mask. I really liked everything. Comment down below, did you like the 25-year-old profile or the 42-year-old profile? Which one did you like better? I like them both. I think both of them I love the fact that they're putting Tarte in these. I mean, also they're doing Urban Decay in them. They're doing Benefit. I mean, look, they're doing the Balm. I think it's great for if I didn't tell you, it's only $10 a month. And I don't think you can beat it. But anyway, guys, that's everything on my Ipsyverse Ipsy. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe so you can get in on the giveaways. And I always leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And yeah, let me know what you think. Which was better, 25 or 42-year-old profile? All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, what is going on? Oh, I thought it messed up again. Bye.